Okay, if you want to add reading counts to a student in SAM, you have to open up your SAM, go to your class or your class where your student is, which in my case, I have a sample student. So I'm going to go ahead and open that up. We have Harry Potter. And in order to add it, you go to Manage Student Enrollment. Check here to make sure that Reading Counts is selected, save, and return. That's going to automatically make it show up for the student. And this is a student dashboard, and this is what it's going to look like. So they'll have their reading inventory, reading counts, and phonics inventory. Once they select the reading counts, this window will come up. And from here, they can choose reading interests, and that's going to give them book selections that are more geared towards their interests. So they can select up to 3. From there, they can select Get Reading List. If they're accessing this on an iPad, the reading list doesn't just pop up. They have to actually click on a link that says click the PDF. They can check their progress to see if they've done any other quizzes. For example, Harry Potter read the book Harry Potter and only scored a 50%. And then they can also click Take a Quiz. And if they don't know what book they're looking for, I mean, they have to find their book, but then they can also type in and look for it. So Harry Potter is what we're looking for. Click Find, and then the books will come up. So that means they don't have to read the books that are only in Read 180. They have a lot more options. All right, if you have any questions, let me know.